The EV landscape is more exciting and competitive than ever. With so many players entering the field, the pace of change is only accelerating. The future belongs to the bold, and in the world of electric vehicles, it's the boldest startups that are leading the charge. Range anxiety used to be the biggest barrier to EVs. Early models barely managed 100 miles, but now 300 to 400 miles is common. Advances in battery tech, like silicon anodes and soon solid-state batteries, promise even more range and faster charging. Fast chargers can now add 200 miles in 15 to 20 minutes, just enough time for a coffee break. Wireless charging is on the horizon. Park over a pad, and your car charges automatically. These innovations are making EVs practical for everyone, not just city drivers. The goal: refueling as quick and easy as petrol. With every breakthrough, EVs become more convenient and appealing. The days of worrying about running out of charge are ending. Electric cars are ready for the open road. The future is fast, flexible, and fully charged. Today's EVs are computers on wheels. Advanced driver assist systems handle lane keeping, adaptive cruise, and even lane changes. Full self-driving isn't here yet, but every update brings us closer. Huge touchscreens control everything: navigation, music, climate, and more. Over-the-air updates mean your car gets new features and improvements while parked. Apps let you check battery, preheat the cabin, or send destinations from your phone. Some EVs even connect with your smart home. The car is now part of your digital life. It's not just about driving, it's about a smarter, more connected experience. The future of mobility is intelligent and interactive. The biggest win for EVs? Cleaner air. No tailpipe means no local emissions, better health for our cities. As power grids shift to renewables, EVs get even greener over time. Automakers are making factories more sustainable and using recycled materials in interiors. Vegan and recycled options are becoming standard. Battery production is energy intensive, but new chemistries and recycling programs are reducing the impact. The goal: a circular economy where old batteries become new ones. Every step, from manufacturing to recycling, is getting cleaner. EVs are more than just cars. They're part of a bigger push for sustainability. Cleaner cars mean cleaner cities and a healthier planet. The journey isn't perfect, but the direction is clear. Electric cars are driving real environmental change. The future is green, and it's on 4 wheels. The road to an all-electric future isn't without obstacles. Charging infrastructure needs to reach everyone, not just those with home garages. EVs are still pricier than petrol cars, but battery costs are dropping fast. Government incentives help, but policies are inconsistent and can change. Securing ethical supplies of battery materials and enough semiconductors is a global challenge. Recycling and new mining investments are crucial. Overcoming these hurdles will unlock mass adoption. The revolution is real, but there's work to do. The EV boom is global. Europe leads with countries like Norway, where most new cars are electric. China is the world's largest EV market, with homegrown brands going global. In North America, Tesla's lead is being challenged by traditional automakers and new electric pickups. Government support and charging networks are accelerating adoption everywhere. By the 2030s, EVs are expected to outsell petrol cars in most major markets. The tipping point is here. Technology, price, and choice are all aligning. EVs are mainstream, and the world is plugging in. The electric era is unstoppable. The future of EVs is about more than just batteries. Solid-state tech will bring longer range and faster charging. Vehicle-to-grid systems will let your car power your home or the grid. Autonomous driving will transform car interiors into living rooms or offices. Cars will become mobile spaces for work, play, and relaxation. EVs are driving a shift to smarter cities and cleaner energy. This isn't just a new kind of car, it's a new way to move and live. The journey is just beginning. The quiet hum of the electric motor is the sound of tomorrow. The future looks bright, and it's electric. Let's dig into BEVs, the pure electric experience. No petrol, no oil changes, no exhaust, just a big battery and electric motors. The first thing you notice: silence. No engine noise, just a gentle whir. The second, instant acceleration. Touch the pedal, and you're gone. No lag, just smooth, rapid power. Charging is a new habit. Most owners install a home charger, plug in overnight, wake up to a full battery. For daily commutes, you'll rarely need public chargers. On longer trips, rapid chargers can add 100 miles in 20-30 minutes, enough time for a coffee break. Modern BVs plan your route, and charging stops for you. It's a different mindset, but the tech and infrastructure are improving fast. The convenience and performance are changing what it means to own a car. Not ready for full electric? Hybrids are your stepping stone. Plug-in hybrids, PHEVs, let you do daily drives on electric power, then switch to petrol for longer trips. No range anxiety. Charge at home, drive electric for commutes, and use petrol for road trips. It's the best of both worlds. Electric savings, petrol convenience. Regular hybrids, HEVs, don't plug in. They use a small battery to help the petrol engine, especially in city traffic. The system switches between petrol and electric automatically for better fuel economy. You drive it like any other car, just with fewer stops at the pump. Hybrids made electric driving familiar and easy. They're not zero emission, but they're a big step up from standard petrol cars. 10. The biggest benefit of electric cars: no tailpipe emissions, no CO2, no smog, cleaner air for everyone. Running costs are lower too. Charging at home is much cheaper than filling up with petrol. Maintenance is simpler. No oil, no spark plugs, fewer moving parts. The driving experience is smooth, quiet, and stress-free. Instant torque makes acceleration effortless and fun. The low center of gravity means stable, confident handling. Governments offer incentives, grants, tax breaks, and exemptions from congestion charges. Features like preconditioning let you heat or cool the car from your phone before you get in. Electric cars are smarter, more comfortable, and more affordable to run. It's a new kind of driving, cleaner, cheaper, and more enjoyable. It's not all smooth sailing. There are real challenges. Range anxiety is still a concern, though most new EVs go 250-350 miles on a charge. Charging takes longer than filling up with petrol, and public chargers can be busy. Not everyone has a driveway for home charging. Urban charging solutions need to improve. Upfront costs are higher, mainly due to expensive batteries, though prices are falling. Battery production raises environmental and ethical questions. Responsible sourcing and recycling are crucial. The industry is investing in battery recycling and second-life uses for old batteries. Overcoming these hurdles is key to making electric cars truly sustainable. The electric car market is booming. There's something for everyone. The Tesla Model 3 set the standard long-range, high-tech, and fun to drive. Volkswagen's ID.3 and ID.4 offer practicality and familiar comfort. Kia Niro EV and Hyundai Kona Electric deliver long-range and value for families. For city driving, the Fiat 500e and Mini Electric are stylish, compact, and cheap to run. Performance fans have the Porsche Taycan and Audi e-tron GT. Supercar speed, electric style. SUVs like the Ford Mustang Mach-E and Skoda Enyaq iV combine space with electric power. Premium options include the BMW iX3 and Mercedes EQC. Whatever your needs, there's an electric car to match. The choices are growing every year. 11. The future of cars is electric. There's no turning back. Governments are phasing out petrol and diesel, pushing manufacturers to go electric. That means more choice, better tech, and lower prices for everyone. Solid-state batteries are coming, longer range, faster charging, and better safety. Imagine 500 miles on a charge and a 15-minute recharge. Electric cars will connect to our homes and the grid, powering our lives and even earning us money. It's more than a new engine. It's a new way of thinking about mobility. Cleaner air, quieter cities, and a stable climate are within reach. The V8's roar defined the last century. The electric hum is the sound of progress. The future is bright, and it's electric. 12.